There's something special about a fresh French manicure. Classic, elegant, and effortlessly chic. But what if you could achieve that salon-quality look at home in minutes without stepping foot into a salon? That's where Kiss Salon Acrylic Press-On Nails come in. This DIY manicure set promises flawless French tips that last up to a week with easy application and zero hassle. Let's dive into this product and see if it really lives up to the claims. These Kiss Salon Acrylic Press-On Nails come in a nude white color combo, perfect for a minimalist, elegant look. The set includes 28 nails in a short Squoval shape, ideal for anyone who wants a more natural but polished appearance. Along with the nails, the kit features a 2-gene tube of pink gel glue, a mini file, and a manicure stick, so it's really a complete at-home manicure kit. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Press-on nails, aren't they just temporary fixes that never quite look as good as the real deal? Well, that's what I wanted to test. The first thing that stood out to me was how easy these nails were to apply. The glue, unlike some others I've tried, didn't bubble or create that awkward lifting at the edges. And after pressing them on, I noticed they fit snugly at the cuticles, providing that seamless, salon-quality finish. The nails stayed secure without the need for constant touch-ups. Speaking of staying power, these nails are marketed as chip-free and bubble-free. I can confirm that after wearing them through multiple tasks, whether typing, cooking, or even a light workout, there was no noticeable chipping or lifting. They're also waterproof and have a smudge-free finish, which I really appreciated because it's always a pain when your nails smudge the second you think you're done. The texture of the nails feels durable, yet surprisingly light. They don't have that heavy plastic feel that some press-ons do, which I loved. They're also comfortable to wear, with no sharp edges digging into my fingers. Overall, they pass the real-life test of daily wear without discomfort or any awkward poking at the cuticles. Let's talk about the glue for a second. The 2-gene tube is just the right size for multiple applications, but I did find that you have to apply it carefully. Too little, and they don't stay. Too much, and the glue oozes out around the edges. Once applied properly, though, the bond is solid, and it really holds the nails in place. Now, for the pros and cons. Pros: easy application, with all the tools you need included, durable and chip-free, waterproof and smudge-free, comfortable to wear with a secure fit, looks like a professional French manicure, no DIY telltale signs. Cons: the glue application requires a little care to avoid excess spillage. The short size might not be ideal if you prefer longer nails. As for the value for money, these nails come in at a competitive price point for press-on nails, especially considering that they last up to a week and include everything you need in the kit. The durability and quality are on par with, if not better than, some salon options, so I'd say it's well worth the price. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for a similar option at a lower price, there are several drugstore brands offering French tips or even gel nails. However, Kiss really stands out because of the extra attention to the design and application ease. The overall quality of the nails and the included glue is hard to beat. So do these nails live up to the hype? Absolutely. If you're someone who loves a fresh French mani but hates the long salon visits, this is the perfect solution. They're long-lasting, easy to apply, and look incredible. Plus, with everything included in the kit, it's a no-fuss solution for a stunning manicure. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did it last as long for you as it did for me? We'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.